For those of you who don't know me, I run a marketing agency with one of my best friends and an awesome fully remote team. And obviously I make YouTube videos about tech. Everything in this video I will link below if you're interested in getting anything for yourself. All right guys, before I enter my office, I'm gonna turn on my office work scene using the iPhone 15 Pro Max's action button. Boom, good to go. Let's go ahead and check out the office. So getting to the main space of the office, we have the desk setup. The setup is a whole video in itself, and if you guys want to check that out, you can click on the link on the top right of the screen. But I'll go through some of the main things that are on my desk setup. This desk is actually from Autonomous. It's a sit and stand desk, and of course their walnut finish, complemented with 2 IKEA drawers for that extra storage. Then on my desk, I have my M1 Max Studio. This thing is a beast of a machine. I have my peripherals here with the Logitech MX Master 3S mouse and this Apple Magic keyboard on top of this Grove main mat. I also keep this Eve temperature monitor that monitors my room temperature and humidity, which works great with my purifier and humidifier that you'll see later in this video. My screen is this 34-inch LG ultra wide. I just love having the big screen real estate to multitask, and I pair it with some Bose speakers. And right behind the screen, I have my Blue Yeti microphone. And then the newest on-desk edition is this Mag Ease charging stand. I absolutely love this, knowing that I can wirelessly charge my iPad at all times is great. I don't have to worry about charging it ever again. Another new addition and a key component to my health and wellness is this office chair from Flexispot. They sent me out their C7 Premium Ergonomic office chair to try over these last few weeks. I work from home and work long 8 to 10 hour days at my desk, so to prevent back exhaustion and future back pain, I've been longing for a high quality chair. Compared to my old Amazon chair, this thing is like a cloud. You could tell immediately in just a couple seconds of sitting in it, it's way better. It has a ton of ways I could customize the chair to make sure I have the perfect comfortability. You could adjust the recline from a 90 to 128 degrees. Depending on if you're 5'4" or 6'2", anywhere between or up to 300 pounds, you could adjust the height of the chair and also the seat depth to make sure it fits your size. You could even adjust the tilt of the chair to help with blood flow. And my favorite thing is this patent low lumbar support system that will self-adapt depending on what position you guys are in. The arm kit actually adjusts in 4 dimensions. It could go sideways, different angles. It could go back, forth, and it can even go up and down. And the reason I can nearly fall asleep is this headrest that fits perfectly on my neck, and I could just say good night and take a mid-work nap. And while working, I could have it lock in to this forward leaning position, and the biometric back support will relieve any pressure, prevent any fatigue from during long hours of sitting. And even though I'm not that flexible, it has a 20-inch seat that allows you to actually sit crisscross if you actually wanted. After experiencing the difference between my $50 Amazon chair and this premium $658 ergonomic chair, I can honestly say it is worth the investment. And what is great is that Flexispot has 30 days hassle-free return and a 10-year warranty on their products, so you know it is a great and well-made product, and you could also feel comfortable with your investment. But if that price point is too high, then they also have much more affordable options, such as their C6 ergonomic office chair or their C3 essential office chair, both under $200. And to help you guys out with this investment, Flexispot has provided me with a New Year's Day sale code that will give you guys an extra $30 off. The code is on the screen and it will also be in the description below. I recommend you guys getting it while the deal still lasts. All right, so that's it with the desk setup. Let's head on over to this little corner of my office that I like to call my library. Now, I don't read a ton of books, but when I do, they are books about personal growth, relationship building, and of course, finance. I fill the spaces in between the books with some personal and some decor items. At the bottom, I have this black metal round thing. I don't know where it's from, but it'll be in the description below. The middle section, I have an old Canon camera, which I used to use on my old phone. And then I got this like 2016 MacBook, which is actually my only MacBook I use right now since I mostly use the Mac Studio. I just don't travel enough to get a new one yet. This really premium 12 South MacBook stand. These things are really awesome, look really good. And then over here, I got this really cool cologne. and you've probably seen this in some of my videos, but it's this orange 36 Ford high winds aftershave. Pretty unique. You can already smell it, but I don't want to open it because I don't want it to spill out, but it smells good. It smells like that old school aftershave, and I just really like the aesthetic of it. Kind of manly too. And then right here, I have my humidifier. It's empty right now, but this is from VocalLink. This thing is a game changer to counteract all the AC that's always running in the house. It has some cool RGB lights, but when this is on, I could definitely notice myself clearing my throat a lot less. I really get a lot of allergies. So with this and the purifier, my office is like the cleanest and easiest to breathe space in the house. And above the bookshelf, I have these two floating shelves that match the walnut aesthetic of the bookshelf. I will be honest with you guys, I had someone from TaskRabbit do this for me. If you guys don't know what TaskRabbit is, it is an app that allows you to find contractors or other services in your area, and they were already putting something up in my living room, so just asked them to put this up for me because I didn't want to mess it up. And then over here, I got the Canon T6i. This is the first camera I ever had. Got a starter kit with it. This is what really got me into video editing or videography and just getting on YouTube. And then over here, I got this baseball signed by my dad. He gave it to me on our wedding day and has a really personal note in there. And then over here, a little slight flex. This is our Inc. 5000 honoree plaque. Nothing crazy, but obviously a huge accomplishment at our company to be in the top 5,000 fastest growing companies in the United States, and we were actually number 380, so you could say top 500. Subtle flex, but put that right here. So right here in front is the futon. It's a little stiff, it's a little wide to sit back, so that's why I have all these pillows right here, but it could turn into a full-size bed, and it's great for guests to sleep over. And I'll sit right here, read a book. And then behind there, I have this lamp. It has a smart bulb in here from Nanoleaf. Everything in here is HomeKit, super easy to use. Obviously, I'm in the Apple ecosystem. I get a ton of compliments of this whenever I'm on a Zoom call with clients. It's this transparent cassette tape, if you guys know what that is. It says, life has no rewind, enjoy every moment. This is just a reminder to me to always be in the moment, enjoy life whenever I can. This canvas is from a company called Iconic, and I actually got to meet them in person when I spotted them at the airport. They're super cool guys, and I can relate to the same mindset they have in their products and business. Now heading over to the other side of the room, this is my walnut and black metal shelf that I got from IKEA. Mostly use the storage at the bottom. This is actually pretty clutch. I didn't think I was actually going to need this, but the printer has helped me obviously when I have to return something from the mail. Great to have all time. And then over here, I got my Smart Me air purifier. This thing is again amazing to give me air quality updates. So obviously again, I work here all day, spend a lot of time in here. I need to have clean air. And then over here, I got this RGB light. This is their Eve Flare. This is one of my favorite lights I have because I can remove it. It still works. It works with HomeKit, Siri. And right behind everything, I have another piece from Iconic. This one's super unique. You actually can't get this on their website. This has happened during the NFT craze. If you purchase one of their relic passes, you were able to get what they call a relic punk. And what their relic passes actually allowed you to do, they actually had some utility, not just all like the other 99% of NFTs that didn't do anything for you. It could actually take any NFT you have and print it into a canvas. And I chose this one just because obviously the camera, I'm into cameras. To the right over here, I have a little more storage that doesn't fit in the closet. Again, I need to upgrade this space. We're gonna move into a house hopefully this year. Over here is just tripod's bag. We got sandbags. I got my C-stand. I just got a Mount Dog light. These things have been great, pretty cheap as well. I actually use this to help with my desk light when I'm on Zoom calls. So guys, this is my office space and it makes me excited to work in it every day. There's still some things I would still like to add, such as just more art or just overall storage organization, but I've noticed these upgrades slowly happen over time. Next time I do one of these videos, it will be in a much bigger space. And again, all these items discussed in the video are in the description below. And if you guys want this Flexispot chair, again, this is their New Year Day sale. Here's the code again. It's also in the description. Get yourself $30 off and a Flexispot chair. I'll see you guys in the next one.